when you're starting a federal incorporation in Canada, what are the basic things you need to have in place? When I started my business few years back, I had to figure out everything on my own because I did not go to any service provider. So I'm trying to condense those information here and bring it in front of you. That way you will be having an idea of what all is involved. So first and foremost is the business plan. This is where your business goal, what your target market is, what's going to be your financial projections, all these things will come into place. I made a video on how to make a business plan. Even better, you can use a referral link which is there in the description here, and by using that you'll be able to go and create your business plan with ease. And all you have to do is use the affiliate link which is given right in the description of this video, and when you use that, anytime you want to open federal corporation or even a sole proprietorship, you can come and do it here. And when you use the referral link, you get this 15% off automatically at the time of checkout. And I made video on where you pay less than what the government fee actually is. So use this link for you to come and take any service from there. In fact, you can go directly on their website, but when you do that, you see you don't get that discount shown here on the screen. You come to this solutions page and you see here, create a business plan. You click here, then you click here, build my business plan. Here you have to enter your credentials to sign up, your name, email ID and password. Once you do that and you sign up, you will come to the next page. I already have a login account, so I'll be using that. So this is the business plan page. You see here, once we come down, you will start filling in these details, and they have made it super user friendly where you can go and start giving input. And they have also given you example. In a while, I'll show you how. So you tell about your business overview, name, vision statement, team, customer, competitor, and then finances. Then you unlock this financial overview where everything will get calculated. They will also show you the sales channels, what kind of sales channel you would be using for your product and services, and the marketing strategy. So once you fill in this, your business plan would be ready for you to register yours. Now let me show you first example where it is business overview. I have already filled in, but let me go to edit. Come to this page, tell us your story here. So what is your name? I enter my name and then click next. Here, what's your business idea, whether it is a product or a service or it is both, you select accordingly. And then what type of product that is, whether it is digital, physical or just digital, you select that and then you click next. So what industry will be your business operating in? You have all these options. You select from here. I've selected consulting and business service. Select the closest one and then click next. Then you describe the business, and they have added a tip on how you can describe your business. I've just given you an example of how I have written here. You can do a little research and describe your business here and then keep clicking next. So as you keep completing, you see here right now it shows 30%. So as you keep completing your team, customer, competitor and all this detail, your business plan would be ready by end. Now this is about business plan. Now comes the business structure. If it is sole proprietorship or incorporation, again, if it is a single person entity, this website makes it easy and very economical, be it sole proprietorship or even the incorporation part. As I have made other videos where for sole proprietorship, you pay less than $10. The government fee is actually around $50 to $60, but you pay much lesser. And when it comes to incorporation, the government fee, if you're going for a named corporation, cost you around $214. Here, they give you for less than $190 with other add-on free services for the first year. That is the beauty. Do check out that part. So this business structure, registering your business name and registering business, this will get done. Again, these are important points when you're starting your business. You need to have business structure, business name, and a business registration for it to be legally existing. Once this is done, you also need to figure out the permits and licenses. I made a separate video. The link will be in the description on how you can find the permit and licenses for your kind of business, and also links where you can go and apply for those permits and licenses. Then comes the business identification number. This is just like your SIN, but for business. So once you have your company registered, whether it is sole proprietorship or your incorporation, you can reach out to CRA, give them your business detail. They will ask for your business ID. And once you give that business ID, you will get this business identification number. And this is a very important tax information, whether you are hiring an employee, whether you are paying for services, getting any money, all these transactions will require you to have this business identification. Also, HST, GST, and any government related setup you are reaching out, they will ask for this business identification number. And only when you have this business identification number, you can go for grant, you can go for other offerings which are there for the businesses. The business identification number, it's a fairly simple process. You can go online and do this. I've shown a video, and if you are not able to do that, just give a call to CRA and they will almost instantly give this to you after getting basic information. BIN is important. Now, you also need to have a bank account, which is a business bank account, because all the transactions, what is coming and going, you would like to have it in one place where you can keep accounting of. And with all these things happening, you also need to keep counting and record keep. So there are some statutory requirements, like you have to maintain a minute. If you don't know what a minute book is, basically your article of incorporation, if you have a corporation bylaws, record of share issuance and transfer, shareholder agreement, director and shareholders resolutions, minutes of meeting, notices which are filed with government, and up-to-date record of all the shareholders and directors and officers. Even if you're a single person entity, you need to have all this record keeping done for federal incorporation. So these are basic things. There are much more things to go in detail. As you start with the business, you will get to know. For you to figure out all these things, the initial part can be done here, where they can take care of the business plan and registering your business, be it sole proprietorship or federal incorporation. Make sure you're using the link below to check out for the product and services. Also on my website, in this organized link section, I have organized everything related to this, where you can go and find information on copyright, patent, business plan, financial plan, how to file T2 short if you have a nil report, how to register for payroll. All this information I've made as video, and I've organized this links here. I hope you find this useful. Thank you, guys.